Clay Patton on the Rural Radio Network. Quarterly Hogs and Pigs, the last one of 2022, has been released. To have more on this report and what it means to the trade, we go to Darrell Holaday, Country Futures in Frankfort, Kansas. Darrell, initial reaction to this looks like there hasn't been much of a change to the hog herd from a year ago.
No, it really hasn't. As a matter of fact, what we've done is we've seen, basically the total herd down 1.7% to be exact with it, right down to the decimal. And that was a little bit slightly lower than anticipated. The average guess was 98.5, and on the low end was 98.3. So we saw that, and then when you break that down, you get the breeding herd maybe just a tick higher than expectations of 6.125 million. But all the market hog categories were just about a tick or two lower than, in other words, when you look at the under 50, the 50 to 1. They were all 98% of a year ago. They're all just a tick lower than expectations. So, certainly neutral to a little bit friendly. I wouldn't say there's anything negative as a whole. And the farrowing intentions also, once again, right along with that breeding herd, maybe just a little bit higher than expectation, but nothing dramatic at all there.
Is this going to be sharply higher, sharply lower, or really does this not do a whole lot for the trader mentality, especially where they have this long to digest it?
Well, that's a good point because we don't trade till Tuesday morning. My thought would be that we might open a little bit higher, especially in those deferred contracts, and even the front end to some extent. Although we've got such a premium with the cash index, I don't think they would hold on the front. But the back end, the May and Junes might be helpful. But once again, the breeding herd was enough to keep that somewhat tamed down. So I'd say everything a little bit higher, but I just really the premium you have to the cash index and the way the pork products handle not acting very well, the cash fundamentals will probably bring it off of any higher open.
That's Darrell Holaday, Country Futures, Frankfort, Kansas. Learn more at countryfutures.com. Do remember, trade futures and options involve risk of loss, may not be suitable for all investors. Consider these risks before investing.